Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine enjoying hot, flavorful lo mein without needing to order takeout. You can actually make restaurant-quality lo mein right in your own kitchen, and it takes less than 15 minutes from start to finish. This versatile dish is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need something quick and delicious on the table. Mastering this simple technique truly opens up a world of delightful culinary possibilities for you and your family. Get ready to impress everyone with your newfound skills. To create truly authentic lo mein, you really only need a handful of core ingredients. First, grab some fresh lo mein noodles, they're key. Then, you'll need good quality soy sauce, a hint of fragrant sesame oil, fresh garlic, and your favorite protein or vegetables. Think chicken, shrimp, tofu, or vibrant broccoli and carrots. Selecting high-quality ingredients ensures that your final dish has the best possible flavor and that perfect, satisfying texture. It makes all the difference, so choose wisely. Achieving that perfect, tender yet chewy noodle texture is super simple. Begin by boiling your lo mein noodles according to the package directions, which usually means just 2 to 3 minutes in rapidly boiling water. You don't want to overcook them, or they'll become mushy. Once cooked, drain them immediately. Then, rinse them quickly under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the noodles from sticking together, ensuring they stay perfectly separate for your stir-fry. Now for the real magic, the sauce and the stir-fry. In a small bowl, whisk together your perfect lo mein sauce, a blend of soy sauce, a touch of sugar, that beautiful sesame oil, and plenty of minced garlic. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat. Stir-fry your chosen protein and vegetables until they are tender crisp. Then, add your perfectly cooked noodles and pour in that amazing sauce. Toss everything constantly to coat every strand, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully. Once your lo mein is perfectly coated and piping hot, serve it immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and best texture. For an extra touch of visual appeal and flavor, consider garnishing your dish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Remember, this recipe is incredibly adaptable. Feel free to experiment with different proteins like beef or tofu, or try a variety of vegetables such as bell peppers or mushrooms to customize your next delicious batch. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.